How to remove background using Adobe Firefly. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. So now we're in this home section. So basically this is the place where you can generate and edit your photos and videos. Here on the middle, tap on generate. So this is the place where you can import and edit your photos and videos. So first of all, simply select the image that you want to add on. Now here on the right bottom you can find this image icon. Simply tap on image. Now select the image that you want to edit. So after you upload your image, you can directly set up the prompt here. Simply enter remove the background. So after doing this, it will automatically remove the background and you'll be able to get the image without the background. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.